how to make a presentation using Tome.ai. It's a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to easily follow, and if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So once you are logged in into your Tome.ai account, what you can do is click on create, that's on the upper right corner of the screen, and you will be routed into this page here. Once you are routed into this page, there are different prompts that it automatically provides you depending on what you want to depending on what you want Tommy to do for you. So here you can just click on create presentation about, and then on the text box provided below you can just indicate what the presentation is. So here, create a presentation about, and then guide to be more creative. So depending on what idea or what topic you want to input, you can just type it on there, and then Tome.ai will automatically prompt you different ideas. That's a minimum of 8 slides that they will automatically generate for you. So here, unleashing your inner Picasso, and then there are breakdowns as well on what are the subtopics under this presentation. And there you can see that aside from the text provided and the topics provided, it also generates automatically a image where it's also an AI generated image based on your topic. So here on the left side panel of the screen, you can see that there's a tool. There is a or tool there that you can definitely set the theme. For example, you want it cream themed, light theme, ocean, dune, a lot of theme that you can use, or you can also customize that as well depending on your liking. Here you can also edit as well. When you click the image, you can click on the image icon on the left side panel of the screen, and you can simply generate the image, and then you can choose from the 4 images provided on what you want to add into your presentation. Here you can also edit or customize as well the text. Maybe you want to add a few informations, or if you want to remove a few informations if it's too much. And once done, you can just click on share. You can simply share the presentation, or you can send a link as well to whom you want the presentation to show, and the play icon on the upper right corner, that is how you will be able to preview the presentation for this. And that's how you will make a presentation using Tome.ai. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.